This is the 888 portal. It is open today, my friend. Full moon, the most potent time in all of our lives for abundance, for prosperity. This is your time. Take advantage, my friend. 3 things you should do. Be aware of your negative thoughts. When they pop up, become aware. Step away from them. Number 2, meditate. Meditate. Bring yourself to that inner sanctuary of a free guided meditation right there in the description. Use it. It will change your life. Number 3, this is so freaking important. Relax. Just relax. Everything that you've ever wanted, whoever you want to become, is here and now. And it is unobtainable to you because you think that you have to do all these things. Go within. Become centered. And become love. That will drive your life forward in unprecedented ways through this portal, through this full moon, through this lion's gate. Do it, my friend. Your life will change.